I'd like to touch on our professional drop-in cooktop. It's available in both 30 and 36 inch. This is our premium professional cooktop. You can see that it carries a lot of the same design language as the rest of the Sofia line. It allows itself to be married perfectly in the kitchen with a Sofia professional double oven or other Sofia built-in products. So as mentioned, we pride ourselves on our brass burners. In this particular, in the 36 inch cooktop, you can see that we have a one-piece tooled burner bowl, which makes it very easy to clean, nice soft edges for cleaning. All brass burners, as we said on all of our Sofia product. Dual flame or stacked burners on our outside burners. So 15,000 stack burners give you the ability to go from high power to simmer. And then we have our crescendo dual flame burner in the middle, again, always in solid brass on the outside, giving you full range from simmer to power. And again, the details that we talk about with the knob and the control panel carrying that same extruded aluminum look that we have on the ranges, and the same detailed design on the knob that we do that carries over from the built-in oven and the ranges themselves. This is our 36 inch professional drop-in cooktop.